so soft it fills the air. Reach for dreams beyond despair. Gentle whispers guide the way. Through the night into the day. Focus sharp yet flowing free. Anchor thoughts like roots of trees. Waves of calm drift through your mind. In the stillness, answers find. Light is weaving through your soul. Push ahead and find your goal. Every step is yours to take. Trust the path that you create. Notes surround like morning dew. Each one clear and bright for you. Feel the rhythm hold you near. Drown out doubt, replace, create. Open skies and endless seas. Carry learning on the breeze. Energy builds as you ascend. Only you define the end. Light is weaving through your soul. Push ahead and find your goal. Every step is yours to take. Trust the path that you create. No words here, just a quiet hum. Inside this room where dreams come from. Strings that glow like morning light. Carry thought through day and night. notes rise like a growing tree. Branching out in perfect spree. Each chord whispers, keep the pace in the still and steady space. Feel the rhythm, build your mind. Let the focus be refined. Every sound a stepping stone, guiding thoughts that stand alone. Gentle waves, they roll and break. Breathing calm for you to take. Through the air they gently spin. Harmony